Your dishwasher has a pump made of plastic. Not the housing, not the filter cover, the actual pump that moves scalding hot water under pressure through your machine 300 times per year. Plastic. A dishwasher pump from 1995 was cast aluminum or stainless steel. The impeller was metal. The housing could handle 160-degree water at high pressure for 15 years without cracking. The pump in your new dishwasher right now is injection molded thermoplastic. It costs the manufacturer $4 to produce instead of $18 for metal. The savings get passed to shareholders, not to you. And it will fail in the year 4. Not might fail, will fail, because plastic does not survive what happens inside a dishwasher. When your dishwasher runs, the pump pulls water from the sump, pressurizes it, and forces it through spray arms spinning at 60 RPM. The water temperature sits between 140 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That cycle repeats 8 to 12 times per load. Over 4 years, that plastic pump endures roughly 12,000 heating and cooling cycles. Thermoplastic expands when heated and contracts when cooled. The coefficient of thermal expansion for the nylon composite used in most pumps is roughly 5 times higher than steel. Each cycle introduces microscopic stress fractures along the impeller blades and pump housing seams. You cannot see them forming, but they are there. By year 3, those fractures begin to merge into visible cracks. By year 4, the pump fails catastrophically. Water leaks into the motor housing, the dishwasher floods your kitchen, or simply stops mid-cycle with an error code. Either way, you are calling for service. The repair estimate comes back at $350 to $450. Parts run $120 to $180. Labor adds another $200 to $250 because the pump sits behind the motor mount and the heater element, which means the technician has to disassemble half the machine to reach it. A new dishwasher costs $600 to $800 for a mid-range model. Some retailers push financing to make that $700 purchase look painless. So you do the math, spend $400 to fix a 4-year-old machine that might give you another 3 years, or spend $700 for a new one with a warranty. Most people buy new. That is not accidental. That is the design. Appliance repair technicians see the same failure mode every single week. One independent shop in Ohio tracked their service calls over 18 months. Pump failures accounted for 40% of all dishwasher repairs they performed. Nearly all involved plastic pumps in machines 4 to 6 years old. The technician running that shop started his career in 1987 repairing appliances. He said the metal pumps from that era rarely failed under normal use. When they did, the repair was straightforward and quick. Unbolt the old pump, bolt on the new one, done in 20 minutes. Plastic pumps require partial disassembly because the housings are glued and clipped together instead of bolted. What used to be a 20-minute repair now takes 90 minutes, and the replacement part will fail again in another 4 years. The manufacturers know exactly what they're doing. Internal engineering documents from one major appliance brand specifically called for the use of glass-reinforced nylon in pump housings to reduce production costs. The memo acknowledged a shortened lifespan, but concluded that the cost savings outweighed warranty claims. The math worked in their favor because most pumps fail outside the standard 1-year warranty window. By year 4, you are paying out of pocket, and because the repair costs approach replacement cost, you buy another machine. The cycle continues. The manufacturer sells 2 machines in 8 years instead of 1 machine in 15. If you are finding this helpful, hit subscribe. I cover the engineering tricks behind everyday failures every week. Now let us talk about what else is failing inside your dishwasher. The plastic pump is not the only downgrade. The spray arms used to be stainless steel with brass bearings. They spun on metal shafts that lasted decades. Modern spray arms are polypropylene plastic with nylon bearings. The plastic warps under heat. The nylon bearings wear down from mineral deposits in your water. After 3 years, the spray arm stops spinning smoothly. Water pressure drops, dishes come out dirty. You run the cycle again, doubling your water and energy use, or you replace the spray arms for $40 each, only to have them fail again in another 3 years. The door latch mechanism followed the same path. Metal springs and steel catches became plastic tabs and clips. When the latch fails, the door will not stay closed. The machine will not start. The replacement latch assembly costs $60 to $80 for the part, but installation requires removing the door panel. Labor adds another $150. Again, you are looking at $200 to fix a latch that should never have been plastic in the first place. Then there is the control board. A 1990s dishwasher had a mechanical timer and a few simple switches. If the timer failed, you replaced it for $30. Modern dishwashers run on printed circuit boards loaded with sensors, touch controls, and in some cases Wi-Fi modules. When the control board dies, replacement runs $200 to $300 for the part alone, and these boards fail frequently. Moisture is the enemy of electronics. A dishwasher is a box designed to contain steam and water. The two do not mix well. Condensation forms on the control board housing. Over time, that moisture corrodes solder joints. Appliance technicians report control board failures as the second most common service call after pump failures. A study from the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers found the average dishwasher lifespan dropped from 14 years in 1995 to just under 7 years today. That is a 50% reduction. Washing machines fell from 16 years to 8 years. Refrigerators dropped from 18 years to 10 years. The industry blames increased complexity and advanced features. But the features are not what is failing. The cheap materials are failing. The plastic pumps, the plastic spray arms, the plastic latches, and the fragile control boards. Every single downgrade was a cost-cutting measure disguised as innovation. And here's the part that should make you angry. These machines still cost the same or more than the metal ones did 30 years ago. A mid-range dishwasher in 1995 cost about $400. Adjusted for inflation, that is $800 in today's money. A mid-range dishwasher today costs $700 to $900. You are paying the same price for a machine built with materials that cost 75% less to manufacture and will last half as long. The profit margin on appliances has never been higher. The manufacturers cut their costs, kept your price the same, and built in a failure timeline that guarantees you will buy another one in 7 years. You are not buying an appliance anymore. You are buying a subscription to appliance ownership. Nobody at the Department of Energy is measuring the environmental cost of this either. They measure energy consumption during operation. They do not count the energy required to mine the raw materials, manufacture the machine, ship it across the ocean, deliver it to your house, and haul the dead one to a landfill 7 years later. The United States sends 1.2 million tons of large appliances to landfills every year. Most of that waste comes from machines that died prematurely due to cheap materials. An appliance that lasts 25 years produces 1/3 the waste of an appliance that lasts 7 years. But the EPA does not factor that into their efficiency ratings. The manufacturers get their Energy Star certification, you get a machine that breaks, and the landfills keep growing. The manufacturers did not stumble into this business model. They engineered it deliberately. Planned obsolescence is not a conspiracy theory when the engineering documents spell it out in black and white. Use cheaper materials, shorten the lifespan, keep the price high, and wait for the repair to cost more than replacement. It works every single time. The entire home appliance industry operates on a replacement cycle model now. Market analysts project revenue based on expected failure rates and replacement purchases. Financial models assume you will replace your dishwasher every 7 years, your washing machine every 8 years, your refrigerator every 10 years. Those projections drive manufacturing decisions from the boardroom down to the factory floor. The only reason it continues to work is because most people do not know it is happening. They just assume modern machines are not built like they used to be and accept it as progress. It is not progress, it is a scam, and it is perfectly legal. Your dishwasher will die in 4 years because someone decided plastic was good enough for the pump. It is not, it never was, and every appliance company knows it, and every appliance company knows it. If you want to see how the same trick destroyed another household essential, that video is on screen now.